That's what Cagayawan is. And we'd like to thank the local government of Davao for keeping the tradition and the culture intact all throughout the years. Happy na ba yan na 40 years in celebrating Cagayawan, Don, no? Isa na lang katuwig. We are on our 39th and we will be having our 4 decades in celebrating Cagayawan Festival. Next, we have the Maguindanao Tribe.
Gracias.